let's go over symmetric matrices in Stata. So, like we did by hand, we're going to create a 4x3 matrix M. So it will have the values 7, 6, 3 on the first row, 9, 2, 1 on the second row, 3, 5, 8, and then 1, 2, 8. Make sure we did that correctly. Okay, so we have 7, 6, 3, 9, 2, 1, 3, 5, 8, and 1, 2, 8. Now we can pre or post multiply by its transpose to get a square symmetric matrix. So what we're going to do is call it N, and we're going to do M transpose times N, that's pre-multiplying, and we want to take a look at that. So we see that it gives us a 3x3 square symmetric matrix. We know it's symmetric because it only gives us the lower triangular portion of the matrix. It has the values of 140, 77, 62, 77, 69, 76, and 62, 76, 138. Now if we post multiply, let's call this matrix O. We're going to do M times M transpose. It's like M&Ms. Yeah, I mentioned that in the video when we did by hand. So matrix list O, and it should also give us a 4x4 matrix, which is symmetric. It's got the values 94, 78, 75, 43, 78, 86, 45, 21, 75, 45, 98, 77, 43, 21, 77, 69. I read that for you because I don't know if you're actually able to read what it gives us there. Now, you can check to see if the matrices are symmetric if you wanted to do extra steps. But there's a cool trick you can do in Stata in which it returns 1 if the matrix is symmetric. Otherwise, it returns 0. And I'll show you how to do that. What I'm going to do is type matrix N is symmetric, and then our matrix N that we created by pre-multiplying the transpose of M times M. And then we want to list that. And we can also do a matrix, I'll do little o, is symmetric. Notice it turns blue because that's a command in Stata. And then matrix list O. So let's check that out. And we see here it did return 1, indicating that the matrix is symmetric. Now we can easily see that by doing what we did right here, because it only gives us the lower triangular portion. However, this is just an extra cool step if you wanted to do, or if you had another matrix and it didn't come out in the output, that we can see that's a lower triangular matrix. And so if you wanted to check it, you can do this command, is symmetric. And if it returns 1, it is, and if it returns 0, it is not. And there you go. That's how we do symmetric matrices in Stata.